everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a warming pumpkin soup with a little twist. Pumpkin soup in my home is a very special thing. It reminds me of time with my family and cold nights, being made better sharing a bowl of soup together. Now finding pumpkins in the middle of London in March isn't so simple. So I had to get my adventure pants on and go hunting. I couldn't find a traditional pumpkin, but this Caribbean pumpkin is a close second and will do just fine. So with that, I decided to change my family's traditional recipe and spice it up a little. After cutting my pumpkin, I seasoned it with salt, pepper, chili flakes, onion granules and garlic granules. Always roast your veg for soups, never boil. While the pumpkin is in the oven, we can make a start on the aromatics. Peel and chop a yellow onion. Rough chopping is fine. It will be blitz after cooking. Then you'll need to peel and grate some ginger. Ginger is a versatile root that has a wide range of health benefits. Some of its key uses include digestive health. It's also great for anti-inflammatory, immune support, blood sugar regulation and heart health. Ginger may contribute to improved circulation, lower cholesterol levels, and better blood pressure regulation. Next up, take some coconut oil and add it to a large pot. Add in your onions and start to soften. Keep the heat on a gentle medium and stir regularly. Once softened, we can start to add the yummy flavours into the pot. We'll start with the freshly grated ginger we prepared earlier, then some garlic, some fragrant ground cumin, and lastly some curry powder. It is so important to burn the flavours into the onions. It's what really releases the flavours. Cook for a few minutes at least. Once those flavours are burnt in and released, we can open a can of coconut milk. Add that in and stir all of the flavours off of the bottom of the pot. Like I said, I'm putting a twist on the traditional recipe, so trust the process. Next, we are going to add in some vegetable stock. Stir that in and then get that yummy pumpkin we have roasting in the oven. By now it will be perfectly cooked for us to add into our pot. While adding it in, please be careful as to not let the soup base splash. It's going to be hot and can burn. Lovely. Give that a quick little stir. To puree the pumpkin, I use a hand blender. You don't need anything fancier. This does the job just fine. Again, please be super careful doing this. The soup can splash and that's going to burn. Take your time and be cautious. Pumpkin is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium and fibre. It is particularly known for its high beta-carotene content, skin and also anti-inflammatory. So not only is this soup absolutely delicious, but great for your health. You can add more stock dogs water if you like a thinner soup. I personally prefer my pumpkin soup quite thick. And there you have it, a thick, creamy, spiced pumpkin soup like you've never had before. As always, if you've enjoyed this recipe, please like,